Do you wish to make money just like this? If yes, then watch this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got messages from some of you saying, I'm a beginner, I don't have any special skills, can you please show us beginner-friendly affiliate marketing method? And today I'm going to do exactly that. It is literally copy and paste. You do know how to copy and paste, right? It's all done for you, it is that simple. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And to be honest with you, make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing, products in that niche works the best. But if you want, you can test products from other niches as well. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I'm going to use Digistore24. Now here you can see my Digistore24 earnings. Now it is not much, and the reason for that is because my main affiliate network is ClickBank. So to find products on Digistore24, I need to click here on Marketplace, and because we are talking about making money online, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on Internet Marketing and e-Business. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products. And also what often happens is that products that are on second or third page are also good products. And that is why you need to research all of these products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Click Wealth System. Here you can see I can earn 15 euros per sale on average. Cancellation rate is only 3%, which is really low. So overall, this looks like a good product to promote. So what I need to do, I need to open their affiliate tools page in the new tab, and we are actually going to need their affiliate tools page. Let me just close this, and I need to scroll here. Here you can see benefits of their affiliate program and so on and so on. I don't need that. So what I need to do, I need to click here now to get access to their affiliate tools page. So now when we have our affiliate tools page and when we have our product, now we need to start promoting this product in order to make money, in order to start first driving traffic to this affiliate offer. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Temporary Emails. And here you can create your temporary email, and you will see later why we need temporary email. And this is my temporary email, and here you can see this is my temporary email inbox. So now when I have my temporary email, next thing I need to do, I need to go on a website called EuropeanSafeList.com. Now these guys will send your email totally free to 15,000 people. Now if you're thinking, well, these methods never works. Well, actually, who cares? Because it is free, so you can test it, and if you don't get any results, well, who cares? You didn't pay anything, it costed you nothing. And you spend only 5 minutes doing this. And if you do get any results, and if you do get some sales, great, you made pure profit because you didn't invest any money and you made some money. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here on Join Now. And now you need to scroll here and you need to click here on Accept. And now you actually need to fulfill this. And this is really important part. First, you need to add your first name. So let's just say, for example, Zoran. Okay, you need to add your last name, let's just say IG, and now you need to add your contact email. And that is why we created temporary emails. So just click here to copy, and I will paste that email here. Now the reason why we're doing this is because we don't want to get hundreds and hundreds of emails from European Safe List every day. And that is why we created a temporary email to avoid that. And this is also really important. List email. This email must be different from this one here. You need to create another temporary email. So what you can do is you can simply open an incognito window and create another temporary email. So I will just copy this and go back here and I will paste that here. And I need to add my username. Let's just say Zoran, for example. Okay. And I need to add password. Well, I will just add some password, random password, okay, and confirm password. I will just confirm my password, okay, I don't need any of this. Payment details, free, no cost. And then click here on Join. And now I actually need to confirm my emails. So when I go back on my temporary email, and here you can see I actually received email. Just click here to open my inbox, and then click here on this link to confirm your main email. But I received another email on my mailing list email, so I need to open this one as well. and then click here to open this, and then click here to confirm this email as well. That is really important. And now I need to log in, so just click here to log in, and I will add my username. So let's just say Zoran, okay, and add my password. Okay, click enter, and I logged in. And now just scroll down on the bottom and click here, no thanks, and you will log into your European safe list, okay? And now you actually need to make your email. So next thing you need to do, you need to click here on credit mailer in order to make your email and to send your email. And obviously first thing you need to do, you need to add a subject. And if you are not good at writing emails, don't worry, we have their affiliate tools page. So let me just go back here on their affiliate tools page. And these guys from ClickWealth System, they actually created emails, professional emails for us. So it is literally copy and paste. And all you have to do is just choose one of these emails. So let's just click here. Okay, let's just choose this one here, for example. So for subject, I will just copy this, Control C, and then go back here and I will paste it here, okay? And then go back and I can copy the body of this email. Cheers soon, okay? Control C, and I will go back here and I will paste it here. And now you need to add your affiliate link. Digistore24 affiliate link, ClickBank affiliate link, or whatever affiliate network you used. Now, those links are long and ugly looking, so I would suggest to actually use one of those URL shorteners. I already did that. I shortened my link, my affiliate link, and I used bit.ly. So I will just copy this, Control C, minimize this. And when you scroll here, you can add your affiliate link. And you can also add it here, just like this, okay? And this will be clickable. And here you can see free members are allowed to send email to up to 17,000 people. And like I said, you can open new windows, new incognito windows, and you can create a new account every day. And you can send email to 17,000 people every day. So in 10 days, you can literally send email to 170,000 people. It's that simple. And after that, all you have to do is just click here on send, and you will send your email to these 17,000 members of this website. And like I said, if you don't get any results, who cares? It is free and it is literally copy and paste. It will take you just 5 minutes to do this. As you saw, it is literally copy and paste. And if you do get any results, if you do get sales, it is pure profit. You didn't invest any money and you invested only 5 minutes of your day to do this. It is that simple, it is that easy. And like I said, this method works best in make money online niche and affiliate marketing niche, but you can test other niches as well. You can test products from woodworking, from weight loss, from workout, from pets, and so on and so on. But like I said, from my experience, make money online products works the best with these kind of methods. So this is how you do Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner without website in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.